So here we have the Peugeot 208 on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you can see, this car's got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 1,011. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. Over in the center is the touchscreen for the car. So this is where, amongst other things, you can pair your phone. You'll be able to access your radio from here as well. You can see that this car has got various different ways of listening to your music. So we have DAB, which we're on at the moment. We've got FM radio as well, with the main volume for the volume for the stereo just there. If you hit the sources button down in this bottom left-hand corner, you'll be able to see all of the ways in which you can listen to music. So we have the radio, so AM, FM, and DAB, USB input and iPod input as well. If I hit the navigation button, it'll bring us up a little message to say that we need to plug in a compatible smartphone via the USB, and then you can essentially stream almost your satellite navigation to this screen. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the direction of the air, the fan speed, and the temperature. This button turns your air conditioning off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here. And we have deadlocks and our hazard warning lights there as well. We have a USB input and a 12-volt charging socket and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.